What's up, guys? Welcome back to Not Your Father's Capital. I'm Mark. Let's talk Chainlink. All right, this is going to be a very fascinating video because there's some analysts out there in the crypto game predicting a major upswing for 2024. We're talking some huge numbers, so you're absolutely going to want to stick around. Make sure you guys are all subscribed down below. Smash that like button as well. And if you do hold Chainlink, let everyone here know on the platform. All right, put that LINK down below in the comments box. Let's get this video going in the right direction. And if you guys are on X, make sure you guys are all following me on there. Never miss a beat with what goes on in the crypto game. Let's get it. Let's talk Chainlink. This is where we're seeing a price, a little bit of a decrease right now, a dip, if you will. But that dip got swallowed up, and I'm going to go over that right now in this chart. When we take a look at Chainlink, you can see this basically stemming down from yesterday, getting down from $15.40 plus cents down to around $13.81. Now, that's very much a local bottom where there was a lot of analysts thinking that it could lead to lower lows. But more so, this was more, in my opinion, not financial advice, but it was a selling of the news event from what happened with the Bitcoin ETF, okay? The Bitcoin ETF, not necessarily canceled, but postponed. It's not going to happen January 10th by the looks of things, so that's kind of what we had experienced on the chart, and we're seeing a nice resurgence today across the board with crypto, 4.9% for Chainlink, but the rest of the market is green and recovering nicely, okay? Let's get back into it, because this is something where you look at Chainlink struggling to maintain this increase and not really getting back over that high of $17.67 that we had back here in the last week of December. But as it currently stands, we're seeing that we have a mixed signal when it comes to the RSI data. It is still above $50. Or I'm sorry, the RSI is still above 50. When we talk about this mixed reading, the indicator is falling. It's still above 50. So it's right there about that glass half full, half empty with being overbought or oversold. But the bulls still have a slight advantage as it relates to the RSI. But what do the analysts say? Okay, so this is something where this is the main point of breaking down this article. This is stemming from a prediction from Crypto Bull, believing that the Link's price movement was a fractal of Ethereum back in 2020, suggesting that the price of Chainlink could reach above $250. Okay, so yes, maybe a fractal of Ethereum, but in terms of correlating and getting above $250, standing just a little bit, that would be what, like a 20x, 20x plus. That's just roughly a little bit more of a far-fetched opinion that I'm looking to get in bed with, if you will. So not necessarily something when I look to have these bullishness, these extreme bullish price predictions. I'm not saying that Chainlink can never hit 250. Obviously, nobody has a crystal ball. And crypto is truly one of the most impressive volatile assets I think that I own in all my investments, but never will roll anything out. But that's a little bit too bullish for my liking as it currently stands right here, right now. All right, so let's talk more a little realistic when we look at Chainlink. In terms of a price prediction, guys, you can look at Chainlink at the all-time or the yearly for that matter. We can bring up the all-time for you guys. And here it is from CoinMarketCap. The all-time high, guys, was at $50. So a little bit under that to be exact. So getting 5x of all-time highs for a top 15 crypto, that's a little bit too outlandish for me, but getting back to the $50 level definitely and beyond. So I think we could maybe temper that extreme bullishness to about $100. That would be a kind of a pipe dream all-time high long shot prediction if I had to give you one, but let's just focus on getting above $20, breaking through another psychological barrier, another resistance channel, and that's kind of where we're seeing this upward movement within Chainlink. And, if we do have a breakout, that's what I'm looking for, guys, about a 50-60% increase in price from right here as it currently stands above $23. That would be kind of where my prediction and how I would use these fractals and all of the data coming up from TA. But as I tell you guys on all my videos, I use TA more so as a tiebreaker, not so much an end-all be-all crystal ball, if you will. Not enough historical data, not enough historical trends for me within TA and crypto. It's not been around long enough. But personally, I do get on board with a little bit of AI when it comes to indicators and stuff like that within the charts. But just using common traditional TA and applying it to crypto, I don't see how we could get to $250. And just understand this, guys, this is not meant to be fun in any stretch of imagination. Just a little bit too much bullishness on that regard. So I wanted to go over this price prediction, show you guys exactly how I feel about Chainlink. But let's kind of shoot for that $23 level. That's kind of more of a local price prediction when we talk about being bullish on Link. And we'll see where we can go from there. So I hope you guys all found some value from this video, going over this article and my thoughts. Please remember, not financial advice. Always do your own homework and due diligence with all things crypto and financial. Make sure you guys are all subscribed on your way out here on YouTube and on X. The handle is in the bottom left, flashing on your screen. But I appreciate all you guys being part of Not Your Father's Capital. And we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.